शुरू करें। पैंडेमिक में कई जॉब्स एंड बिजनेसेस हिट हुए। अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वेंट थ्रू ऑर्डियल्स जिसके इंसिडेंसेस एंड स्टोरीज हमें आज भी सुनने मिल जाते हैं। अलॉन्ग विद मेनी बिजनेसेस, द एंटरटेनमेंट एंड स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री आल्सो गॉट हिट एंड जितने लोग इसके साथ एसोसिएटेड होते हैं उनके काम पर भी असर पड़ा। But the sports industry came up with a plan. To tackle the challenges of pandemic and to ensure safety, the sports organizations across the world implemented a lot of things, including barring of crowd in the stadium, keeping the telecast virtual only, not open for spectators and audiences, to keep a check on constant safety, isolation, and hygiene. And to ensure all of that, they had to put the players of various sporting events in a bio bubble.
The kind of person I am, throughout my life, I've never tried to change myself. I've always kept it simple. Devote yourself to something and then, be focused on that. So I think it's the ethics and the principles that really matter in life, and I've kept it really simple. So that has really helped.
In a bio bubble, कोई भी स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट जैसे फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, टेनिस, बेसिकली ऑल स्टेडियम, ग्राउंड और इंडोर मैचेस are held in a centralized site जहां कोई भी spectator या audience नहीं होते. The players are tested and isolated before any tournament starts and are carefully quarantined for the rest of the event. इसका मतलब ये है that they cannot leave the premises till the play is complete. उनके eating pattern से लेकर उनके रहने के arrangements are such that they have minimal to no physical contact with the outside world. They are to travel from one bubble to another in isolated groups and follow strict safety guidelines जिसको breach करने के लिए there could be penalties and fines. लेकिन bio bubble में रहना is just like how we spent all those months at home, right? Plus the amenities and services. तो फिर bio bubble में रहने से problem क्या हुई? I mean, they must be getting their piece of entertainment and they must be virtually connected with everyone just like how we are. तो इस पर challenge क्या है?
Yeah, look, first of all, sorry about the mask, but this is the new normal, and I think you'll find all of us doing interviews now.
It's been a little difficult, I must say, but health comes first, and it's very important that we look at everyone's safety.
बायो बबल में रहना प्लेयर्स के लिए मुश्किल होता चला गया क्योंकि सारा दिन तो ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर सकते थे। दिन का मेजॉरिटी हिस्सा वो अपने होटल रूम्स में स्पेंड करते। फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट टीम स्पोर्ट्स में आपके साथी के प्लेयर्स के होने का पॉजिटिव असर पड़ता है, बट फॉर इंडिविजुअल स्पोर्ट्स लाइक बैडमिंटन जहां प्लेयर्स आर मोस्टली बाय देमसेल्व्स, इट कैन गेट मोर डिफिकल्ट। एंड सेफ्टी रखना कितना जरूरी है यहाँ, तो लेट मी शेयर कि इतना ध्यान रखने के बावजूद एचएस प्रणॉय और साइना नेहवाल को थाईलैंड ओपन से अपना नाम ऑलमोस्ट विड्रॉ करना पड़ा because they tested positive for COVID. Even IPL last year had seen some hurdles because of players getting ill, plus this year the curbs are stricter. The point is, to make things work, the players had to go to another level. Playing any sport is also mentally challenging as it is, and किसी family या friend का होना आसपास में surely has a positive effect. Considering that sports psychology in India is at a very primitive or at a very introductory stage, players को अक्सर फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग के अलावा स्पेसिफिकली मेंटल या इमोशनल एंड्योरेंस की ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी जाती है, विच इज क्वाइट नेसेसरी। हो सकता है आप इस बात से सहमत ना हो, बट देयर हैव बीन अकरेंसेस दैट आर गोइंग टू पुट योर थॉट्स इन पर्सपेक्टिव। नॉर्मल पर्सन के लिए ओवर द टॉप काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग कैन गेट ओवरवेलमिंग, एंड दीज आर द पीपल रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कंट्री। इमेजिन इनके ऊपर प्रेशर कितना रहता है ऑलरेडी, एंड हाउ मच ऑफ बैकलैश हैव दे बोर्न for their failures, and yet here they are performing to the best of their limits, trying to make their country, the people of this nation, making us proud, taking in all the criticism and appreciation alike while staying in a safe, secure, confined and isolated environment. So next time whenever you're watching IPL or Olympics or Champions League, understand that these players are not only on the ground because they are supremely and highly skilled, but they are handling things more than your and my eyes can meet. That they are not with the people who they usually talk to, who they usually confide in, who they talk about their failures and insecurities to, only to come out in a mostly empty stadium with not many to cheer on, still put up their game faces, pull their socks up and fight on to make their country, their fans and you proud. Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.